Among the animals is a four-legged that many people love. The Lakota call it Shukmani Tutanka, which means wolf. The wolf medicine is about loyalty, is about teamwork, is about organizing, working together, group dynamics, having a goal that everyone is shooting for. In this music from Animal Totems, you will feel the urge to run, to be part of the pack. The wolf is an animal that will go a long distance to scout out the territory, and then he'll call back in a song to his pack, who will then follow that sound to his point. Or he will return to the den and turn right around and lead them out on the hunt, seemingly without any rest. He has unbounded energy, and this energy can be yours if the wolf is your totem. But in return, he will expect you to honor your commitments to your family, your friends, the elders, the children, and those less fortunate. Let's run with the pack. Monty Tatanka, this is Brian Hammill.